there's no bone to pick. There's something I gotta get off my chest. Well, you'll be the first to know about it. If you got your say, well, today's the day. Speak it loud and clear. I never really insisted you heed my words, say your piece, or even be here. But if things come back on a wire, you know that there's a high chance of fire that can be dire. But I got no beef, no issue to devour. When it comes down to it, ain't that hard to be the man of the hour. Ain't no drugs, packing heat, the way you make me feel right now. It's like a heartbeat at a grasp at the peak. End up a dead meat, a low-life misery heap. A rider on the streets, far too deep. Disrupting and making late-night racket. Uncertified doomsday, anyone can have a hack at that. Say visionary, it's a trap. Trust a villain, lose a million. Find what you need out back. Here say visionary, it's a sin. I don't know where to start, I don't know where to begin. There's a beer in the fridge out back. Here, take your headphone jack, man. It was never really that of great importance to us. It's just a respected common sense, and there was no fuss. I walk down my street, I want to hear a tune coming from the houses with Bodhi, good beat. A dose of Floyd, Zeppelin, mineral oil, Daddy Cool, add a little canned heat. So brace yourself, silent society. You're an old-fashioned neighborhood rumble. The child scream, never hear the sea spray. There's a beer in the fridge out back. Phone jack mine. Hey yeah, bloke, cast your vote. Go to work and take your perks. Buy a box of fresh socks. Put your lottery in, hope for the best. Clean up the mess. Pass the drug test. Get your bonus, get your rest. Wake and say your prayers and feel blessed. Find your soulmate, go on a date. Wine, dine, procreate. Candy, soccer, now school fate. Ignore, bored, find love in the workplace. You say visionary, it's a trap. You trust your love like no other. There's a room with a bed out back. It's a headphone jack. You say